Hello, my name's Amit. I'm one of the co-founders here at Mantle. Last week we put out an office tour video and a couple of people liked it. So let's do another one. I want to show people something. This book right here. Thanks, Edwin, for dropping it off. I don't really read books until someone hand delivers it to me. So if we open it up, you'll notice there's a QR code. If you scan that QR code, you will be brought directly to the person in real life. Let's get going. Who are you and what do you do?
Hey, I'm Jarrett, and I head up product on Mantle Equity, also one of the co-founders.
Why hasn't AI replaced you yet?
Not yet, because no one can quite read my handwriting, especially not any LLM that exists to date, and no one can loom over an engineer's shoulders quite like I can.
Is a hot dog a sandwich?
Yeah.
Jarrett proves that a startup's most important resource is the coffee machine. He drinks coffee every day. That's how good work gets done. Thank you again for coming by our office, and I'm glad you got to meet Canthony.